Good day, fellow investors. Newmont stock is part of our YouTube portfolio. It's time to increase the position because the gold stock is down. So we bought it not even a month and something ago, a lot down, and it's time to add. Let's first check the stock price. So over the last 6 months, Newmont has fallen 50%. This is it with gold miners, and this is part of the strategy and why we added it to the portfolio. So we bought somewhere here, a bit too early, it was better here, but okay, I said I really wanted to discuss the Ray Dalio all-weather gold exposure portfolio. I bought somewhere here, I think, and since then the stock is down 22%, and now I am buying more. Keep in mind the market capitalization is 33 billion and the dividend yield 5%. They will try to keep it that high, which is great for gold miners. But if gold prices go lower, the dividend will be cut, and then the stock might even go lower when the dividend cut actually happens. And now it's always important to look at gold prices. Of course, here the stock was double because you must always keep in mind gold miners make money on margin. So their cost of producing gold is, I don't know, 1,150 for Newmont. And if gold is at 1,750, they make $600 per ounce. If gold is at 2,100, they make 100, 200, 300, they make $900 per ounce. So that's 1.x on their net income or income, and that's why you see so much volatility. Gold went down, let's say, from 2,000 to 1,700, so that's 15%. Newmont went down 50%. That's the increased volatility gold miners offers. Let's just check the earnings. Newmont is a big company, has been around for 100 years, so it's pretty stable there. There will always be something, but pretty much stable. Nevertheless, let's go through the earnings call. So they missed expectations, that's why also the stock crashed. But at the end, gold production was there. All-in sustainable costs 1,150, and the rest, as they sell it for higher, is let's say profit minus taxes and everything. And then why the stock crashed? Barons talk to people and they say that it faces dividend questions and therefore it is best to sell. That's always the short term Wall Street. If a dividend gets cut, then the stock goes down. And if a dividend gets instated, the stock goes up, expecting that everything will be equal forever. However, if we look at the company, all well, they did $500,000 in free cash flows, which is less than previously, but also gold went down. But when you look at the company, it is the #1 gold producer, diversified asset classes, top tier jurisdictions, so a lot of reserves and everything. So that's Newmont. But key with mining, and I'll be digging deeper now into mining these months, is higher labor costs, 20-30% in materials, and $50 per barrel increase in diesel prices, anticipating additional 7% cost escalation. So that's inflation, that also hits them, but they still make money, they still do okay, they still focus on that dividend to keep it, even if it might be just covered by free cash flows. But if you look at the company, the key is that sustaining costs will go likely up, and it always depends on just the price of gold. Newmont is Newmont. It all depends on where gold goes and how much money they can make. But now let's discuss the strategy here and how it fits our YouTube educational demo portfolio. One downgrades it, the other upgrades it. UBS has deep value opportunity after a recent drop. And following conversations, they are confident, UBS, that the dividend is based on a multi-year framework with visibility to falling capex in 2025. When capex will decline, then the dividend will be easier to be paid. And despite now higher cost estimates, we continue to expect Newmont will generate strong free cash flow. Okay, depends all on gold. I'm using Interactive Brokers as an international broker covering a lot of markets and available in all countries. So if you want to support the channel, you can check this broker out. I get a small fee if you click on the link in the description below. So it works okay. Let's now check first the portfolio here, and we can see here Newmont that I bought starting position $15,000 at the market price of 55. Now we are 42.39 as I'm filming this on Thursday, 8th September, and it is time to add to the position, because when it falls, that was the strategy as already explained. If it falls more, I'll add more. I think I can spend to 40,000 per position. I just spent 15, so I can now add 10 and then 5 and 5 if it goes lower. Of course, if it goes higher, then we will rebalance. Let's see. So we have Newmont search results. I could have written Newmont maybe, but okay, let's see. So Newmont Corporation, we already have something. It was already at 40 a few days ago. I missed it a little bit, I think, but okay, this is already lower. So 42, 46. I want to buy. I said 10,000, so we have 270, so likely 250. And the limit to 47, let's put it to 48, so I buy surely and transmit, and here we go. Order filled, so that's it. Now I have added 10,000, and then we are left with another 5,000 and 5,000 at 30, and if it comes to 20. So we have first bought 15,000 at 54.73. Now I have added 10,000 at 24. According to the portfolio strategy that we said, we are going to buy 30 stocks from 10,000 to 50K, depending on how we like the risk and reward. We still have 25 to spend. If it goes down to 30, we will spend likely another 10. To 20, another 10. If it goes down to 10 or 15, we will spend the remaining 5K. And of course, if it goes now back here, I will sell everything, the 10,000, maybe just leave the profits, or maybe even everything. Let's see when it comes back. If gold prices pick up, that's it. You can check the video, also the YouTube portfolio, in this playlist, or I'll put the link in the description below. And then, of course, not to forget, as you hold this, you get a 5% dividend, which is not small. The company has been around for 100 years, so will likely be around for another 100. And this is Newmont. I hope you enjoyed these educational videos. Check other videos of mine, check the YouTube portfolio video, and I'll see you in the next video. Smash that like button for support. Thank you.